Hi there. My name is Chris. Let me be totally honest with you. I don't really exist. I am an AI-generated dude with an AI-generated, thoughtful voice. And because of that, I might be the best person to tell and show you some super handy AI tools that will make your work, studies, and life in general easier. Let's take a look at a very cool writer helper, QuillBot. QuillBot is a revolutionary tool designed specifically for students, enabling them to produce captivating and extraordinary written works. With its advanced AI technology, QuillBot is capable of understanding the context of the text and providing relevant paraphrases for individual sentences or entire paragraphs. It has established itself as one of the leading AI tools for students, offering a range of features such as paraphrasing, summarizing lengthy content, detecting and resolving plagiarism issues, conducting grammar checks, and even providing translation services in several languages. Moreover, QuillBot can also collaborate with users in co-writing, making it an invaluable application among AI tools. QuillBot is commonly used for enhancing the quality of written content by providing AI-powered paraphrasing and grammar checking, assisting language learners in improving their writing skills through instant suggestions and corrections, streamlining text refinement and saving time and effort in content creation and editing for professionals. Let's take a look at some of the awesome features this popular AI tool has and how it can help you in your writings. With Paraphraser, you can change the tone or style of your text, upload or paste your text, and choose what kind of tone your text should have in it. The tool effectively rephrases your input while preserving its original message. You have various options to select the desired style for the text. The premium version of this tool offers numerous choices to rewrite your content. Experimenting with these different versions will give you valuable insights into what works best for you. With Paraphraser, you can also translate your text into several languages. Simply choose the desired language and click Paraphrase. When using this and any AI tool, it is essential to double-check the output to ensure that it aligns with your own requirements and expectations. Using Grammar Checker makes it simple to identify any grammar mistakes in your text. Just upload or paste your text and watch how the tool highlights the incorrect parts. You can then proceed to easily correct them one by one or all at once. When creating a new project, you can start from scratch or by uploading your existing document, or you can choose from dozens of pre-made templates QuillBot offers. There are templates for academic, professional, and personal purposes. You can also create your own custom template. To kickstart your project efficiently, Smart Start is a valuable tool to consider. Begin by selecting the desired type of text you wish to create and input the title or topic. This will provide you with a comprehensive outline for your writing endeavor. Take a moment to review and modify the outline if necessary. Additionally, you can utilize the Suggest Text feature to generate additional content for your document. This feature can greatly assist in expanding upon your ideas and enhancing the overall quality of your work. In addition, you have the option to view the overall score of your text, which calculates the number of errors per 100 words. You can also check the grade level of the text to determine if it meets your specific requirements or standards. Let's explore some of the additional functionalities of this tool. The plagiarism checker is a useful and also a premium feature, so I won't demonstrate it here. The summarizer is a convenient tool that allows you to effortlessly extract the key ideas from lengthy texts. Simply upload or copy and paste your text, then click on the Summarize button. The result will be a shorter, more concise version of your original text. You can easily adjust the length of the summarized text to suit your specific requirements. Additionally, to enhance the readability of your lengthy text, you have the option to summarize it using bullet points. Translator is a convenient and user-friendly tool that allows you to effortlessly convert text from one language to another. This tool has the ability to automatically detect the input language, or you can manually select it yourself. Additionally, you have the option to choose the desired output language for the translation. This feature proves to be incredibly useful as it ensures fast and efficient translations. Its simplicity and efficiency make it an ideal tool for anyone in need of quick and accurate language translations. One cool feature this tool has is that you can listen to the translated text, so you can actually hear if the translation is good or bad. With the citation generator, you have the ability to quickly and effortlessly create multiple citations from a variety of sources. Whether you have a web page URL or information from a book, such as the title, ISBN, or EAN number, this tool allows you to generate accurate citations. If necessary, you have the option to make edits to ensure the citation meets your specific requirements. Once you are satisfied with the citation, simply save it and you're ready to proceed. There are various options available for obtaining citations from different sources. Simply select the one that you believe your text is referencing and proceed with the citation process. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe to this channel for more videos about AI tools.